Guys, I'm Mala and I'm back with another video for you guys, and this is going to be quick and easy and beautiful hairstyles that look like we took really long to make them, but we really did not. Shh. Alright you guys, so these are the final finished looks and I hope you like it because they're super quick and super pretty, and here we go. This is the first hairstyle and this is going to be a twisty half updo. Now take out a middle parting or any parting you like, but I'm taking out a middle parting here. So take out a middle parting and take the front little section and twist it. Then take the section right next to it, put them both together and twist. Take the section adjacent to it, put them all together and twist. Keep taking the sections right next to the one that you had just taken and keep twisting them. Once you've reached the part of your head that's right above your ear, then you secure it with a pretty clip. Ta-da! There you go. And now we move on to the other bit. Just keep taking sections right in front of your hairline. Keep taking little sections and twisting them, and as you reach your ear, you just secure it with any clip or hairpin or tic-tac of your choice. And you can conceal it with another layer of hair or not, as you wish, and that is it. It's super girly, it's super pretty and very fast. This is the final look. I hope you love it as much as I do. Alright you guys, now moving on to the next one. Alright, we are gonna do rope braids. Rope braids look beautiful and they are so fast. It is so unbelievable. All you have to do is, you can take out your flicks in the middle before starting and then take the rest of the hair, and all you have to do is make 2 equal sections and then keep interchanging them between your hands. The one in the right hand goes on top of that on the left hand, and the same again, and the same again. You are just putting it one above the other continuously till the time you reach the bottom of your hair length. Okay, let's see it once again. Two equal sections, take one under the other, then take the second one under the first one. You just keep interchanging these 2 sections in your 2 hands. Just keep interchanging one over the other. That is it. And just secure it with a rubber band. I do braid it extra tightly because my hair is very silky, and the minute I leave it, it does become slightly loose, and that is why I make it slightly tight initially, but the result is fabulous. It looks like you put in a lot of time when you really did not. So that is perfect for mornings. And now for the third hairstyle, we are gonna make a side parting, and again the same twisting principle but slightly different. In this we have a slightly bigger section in front, and every time that we pick one section, we twist it, we pick the section right next to it and then we twist it. The only thing is that we are going to keep it very loose. In the first hairstyle, we did a similar technique, but we kept it very tight. In this, we are creating a puff. And for a puff or a bouffant, we need it to not be so tight. And that is why every time that we pick up a section and we twist it, we are going to leave it really loose so that there is a lot of volume left when we reach the end. And when we do reach the end, we will again give it as much volume as we like and as much as we want before securing it with a clip or a bobby pin. And then you style the rest of the hair, just pull them out in front. You can conceal this particular section under the rest of the hair and just secure it with a pin, and that is our finished look. Even this hairstyle takes me less than a minute, and that is why I brought it to you so that you can use it every morning when you're in a hurry. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Please tell me if you enjoy such videos so I will make more. Please consider subscribing to my video, like and share, and I will see you super soon guys. Bye.